I have a funny question to start our conversation. So, curious minds wants to know, what does a global health and safety vice president does?
Wow. Can we start with an easier question?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, no, it's a very, very, very good question. So from, and I can only explain it from what I do at L'Oreal, right? And the most important thing is obviously, and this is going to be a standard thing now you get from everybody, is put in place the systems, the processes, the methods, the tools that are going to, protect and even improve the quality of people's life, whether it be a safety point of view, physical health, mental health, well-being. Well, what that requires is animating a network of health and safety professionals worldwide. It's all about developing the corporate strategy, the group strategy. And in L'Oreal, it's not just manufacturing. So it's a strategy that will work for manufacturing sites, distribution centers, research and innovation, admin sites, stores. Many people don't know we've got 3,000-ish stores worldwide, and a ton of marketing people that are out there, a sales force and all the rest of it. So it's the whole shebang of putting the strategy in place and then deploying it through the networks. So I'm quite lucky within L'Oreal. We have around about 600, 610 health and safety professionals worldwide. That's managers and above, and which is not even benchmarked for number of EHS professionals per 100 employees, kind of 1,000 employees. And it's then making sure that the processes are in place to support. So it's not just deciding on the strategy, it's also what do we need for support. Like, for example, we have global training programs for our EHS professionals, right? We have global training programs for all of the line managers, animated and driven by our people. So it's adding that support in that drives and maintains, I would say, our culture and our performance. So it's a whole load of things. I'm sure I've missed things in there. Also, unfortunately, maybe it depends how you look at it. Unfortunately, fortunately, it also involves attending a lot of meetings, right? Because everybody wants you at the meeting because there's an important decision to make at group level, which could be with purchasing people, it could be with the environmental people, the quality people, etc. It could be with anybody. And so you attend a lot of meetings whereby you've got to make decisions, right? Etc. And then on top of that, you've got to manage a team. I have a team of 5 people at corporate level at L'Oreal, an amazing team. You've got to manage those as well and help them develop. So it's a little bit like being an HR manager as well. So it's a bit of everything. It's a job that I feel very privileged to have and that I enjoy.